Hello friends, Namaste. My name is Maya Saini and I welcome you all on my YouTube channel. Friends, I hope you all are doing fine and you are doing your English practice very well. So friends, there is a saying, if there is a will, there is a way. So if you really want to be a good English speaker, then you need to do a lot of practice. So this is the main mantra of learning English, that is practice, practice, practice. Well, it's easy to say, but a little bit difficult to follow. Well, don't worry, I'm with you, and you are with yourself, right? You want to learn English, right? So, friends, here I'm going to tell you an important tip which will be very useful for you in your English learning journey. So, that tip is actually daily practice. Friends, it's a very common tip, and I think you already know it. Actually, the tip is that you have to translate your each and every sentence, your each and every Hindi sentence into English. Whatever you are doing in your daily routine, you have to translate those sentences, those daily routine activities into English. So I will give you some examples that if you are cooking food for your family, then you can say, I am cooking food, I am chopping the vegetables, I am kneading the dough, I am rolling the chapatis, right? So these are the examples related to your food, food preparations. So you can learn English like this also. And similarly, you have to translate other activities also into English. Friends, trust me, this is the best way to learn English. If you will translate your daily routine activities into English, you will come to learn new sentences, you will come to learn new vocabulary, and that's how you will improve your English, friends. Friends, without thinking too much, you have to start practice from today itself. So, friends, one more thing you can do is that you have to learn English meanings of each and everything which you are using in your daily life. So, it will also be very useful for you, and you will come to know, English meaning words for things, belongings you are using, you are carrying with yourself, whatever you are using in your daily life. You have to give at least 10 minutes to each and every section, whether it is your listening section, right, or your reading section, your writing section, or your speaking section. You will automatically feel a drastic change in your English. So friends, do not skip your practice daily, and do well, and try to learn new words. Friends, that's all for today. Here I'm going to present before you some English daily sentences that you can learn, and you can use in your daily life. So here are the sentences. So here are the sentences for kids. सुधर जाओ, mend your ways, mend your ways. अपने पैर मत घसीटो, don't drag your feet, don't drag your feet. नहाने का समय हो गया है, it's time to take a bath, it's time to take a bath. ऐसे चेहरे मत बनाओ, don't make faces, don't make faces. नाखून मत काटो, don't bite your nails, don't bite your nails. अपनी कॉपी के पेज मत फाड़ो, don't tear your notebook pages, don't tear your notebook pages. ये कहाँ से उठाया, where did you pick it from, where did you pick it from. क्या ढूंढ रहे हो, what are you looking for, what are you looking for. अपनी डायरी लेकर आओ, bring your diary, bring your diary. पापा डांटेंगे, पापा will scold you, पापा will scold you. नाक में उंगली मत डालो, don't pick your nose, don't pick your nose. नाक साफ करो, blow your nose, blow your nose. अपना बिस्तर बनाओ, make your bed, make your bed. तुम मेरी बात नहीं मानते, you don't listen to me, you don't listen to me. अपने खिलौने जगह पर रखो, keep your toys in place, keep your toys in place. आपने क्या खाया, what did you eat, what did you eat. चलो बाहर चलते हैं, let's go outside, let's go outside. आप बहुत टीवी देखते हो, you watch TV a lot, you watch TV a lot. मुझे नींद आ रही है, I am feeling sleepy, I am feeling sleepy. छींकते हुए मुंह को ढको, cover your mouth while sneezing, Cover your mouth while sneezing. तुमने बहुत अच्छा काम किया. You did a great job. You did a great job. So friends, that's all for today. Bye bye. Take care. And if you like my video, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye bye.